I've been thinking about the studio today.
Yeah? What's the studio?
Oh, you've never been to the studio, have you? No. Well, I have some students coming in a little while. Would you like to go see the studio? That's where we go. We do artwork and we play things and experiment with glass.
Oh, that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, I'd like to go see that.
How about we just go take a walk there?
Okay. Do I need a coat?
No, it's real close by. It's windy out.
Yeah, little cold.
Come on, we'll go to the studio.
Okay.
The dogs are probably going to come with us too.
Yeah, here they come. Whoa, it's windy.
Yup, and a little cold. So this is the studio.
Oh, that is close by.
Yes, it is.
Can I go in?
Yup, it's warm inside.
We wait for Luna.
So this is the studio.
Oh, boy. Wow.
Well, I've got a lot of puppets in here. Would you like to see some? And then I'll show you the project I'm working on now.
Okay.
I've got some little very simple stick puppets over here that just wiggle when you shake them up and down. Mice. And I've got Tanta Colette. That's Aunt Colette. She was restored from a puppet that I gotten that was up here from Mexico. I didn't go to Mexico to get her. And this is in the way here. This is Teta Gaia, Aunt Earth Mother, and she was in a puppet show. She was in a museum display in Minneapolis during the Puppet Fest. So she's a marionette, just kind of a little bit heavy, but she's a spirit guide, a good spirit guide. And there's some store-bought puppets too, and some puppets that are made by students that they get left behind, and I just think they're too wonderful to leave to parts unknown, so I take them with me. Let's walk around. Oh, here's some other student puppets over there.
He's got a yellow face like me.
Yes, he does. And this is Isadora, the pink fairy queen.
Whoa. She is pretty.
She's a good fairy queen puppet. And then we got stuff hanging up there. You see that rocking horse up there? That rocking horse is going to be featured in Mud Pony. We're going to put wheels on him, and he's going to be a pulling puppet.
Oh my. How you get up there to ride him?
No, we don't do that. We're going to take him down with a ladder. Okay. So, this is the project I'm working on.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, it's a glass door. It's called Zinnia door. And I'm working on it with an assistant, Megan, who's doing a great job. We're doing a video documentary of it, so.
Oh my God, that's a lot of pieces of glass.
I know.
Do you cut yourself?
Oh, once in a while. Here's my puppet closet.
Oh, there they all are.
Yup, and some are store-bought puppets.
I see.
And some are handmade puppets.
Oh, nice.
And some are made by students.
This one? That's a good puppet.
Yep, inside here, I'll open up. This is the puppet closet. There's all kinds of fun things in there. Lots of store-bought puppets, handmade puppets, puppet parts.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, and sometimes the stove is on. It's nice and toasty in here.
It feels pretty good.
And I'll show you a couple other Indonesian puppets. You don't have to look at that.
What is that?
No, you don't have to look at that. There's a kitty cat puppet like you.
There's a skeleton!
Yeah, but he's not a puppet yet. That's Gaia.
Gaia?
She can be 14 feet tall when we take her out for parades. Right now she's wearing her angel costume, but she also has an Earth Mother costume, which looks like the rainforest and the ocean.
Oh, not bad.
And here are some of my original puppets. They're, over here, Frijoles. They were from Java.
Whoa, they look old and dirty.
They probably are old, but they're not dirty. Sometimes the paint is just absorbed into the wood. And there's some of my original puppets, and I really, really like them. Whoa. Would you like to go look at that table, Frijoles?
Yes, I would. Excuse me, Molly. Careful, Molly. We don't want to trip. What is that? Is that going to be a puppet?
Well, that's going to be a puppet, Frijoles.
Wow. Is it going to be alive?
Oh, I hope so.
Am I alive?
Oh, most undoubtedly you are alive.
Okay, that's good. Is Roberto alive?
Roberto is most definitely alive.
Good, that's good too.
It's a little disconcerting, huh?
Yeah.
You know, Frijoles, I'm an artist. I make stuff.
Okay, I get it.
And creation, actually. Creation happens all around us every day, every minute of every day.
Yeah.
Yep, and sometimes you can think of it as a mysterious process,
Okay.
or a magical process.
Yes, I get that too.
But it's always happening. And you can't stop it. It's going to happen. Right? Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Well, if you get any, you'll ask me.
Okay.
Bye. I think you'll see that one later sometime.
Bye. It's like seeing somebody with their clothes off and their skin off and their person.
I know. It's weird. It's pretty weird, huh?
It sure is weird.
Bye. Bye-bye. We'll see that little one again soon. Did you like your visit to the studio?
Yeah, it was good. It was strange.
Yeah, thinking about your own creation is always pretty amazing.
Yeah, and weird.
And weird.